What a ride.
An unbelievable car with a fabulous. MGs, which still had actually aspirated, but actually, get uphill. Snaky. This one is yeah, right here is their north side. Up the top end. Right now, turbo Tyco 5 driven beautifully drifting. Grateful that it's dry. Let's see how we go. Wild, wild run. Give this a go. In the back of this thing, how's he looking? Sun is starting to create a bit of dry line here. It's still quite thick. Best chance he gets to better that today. Let's see how he gets on. Looking at his line. Now that's yeah, this is a lovely example. I quite like the grey nose on this rather than the often. So on the wet. That power down and put its smoke out the back end. Very good. The bottom end. There we go. Heavier items he'll be quite pleased to see that he's right. I'm not sure Right, Mike Moore on the hill at the moment in this very, very quick heat, which is possible in one of the gaggle of mad series that we have coming up. Now, when was the last time you saw a Ford Anglia flying like this? Probably in Harry Potter. Proper twin cam, roaring, absolutely. Around a little bit and nice exit up towards the again, next one up the hill in the dog carrier. The dog carrier for that. really rubbering in well off the start line, so he's quite quick when he drives out. Not once in the tour, and it's driving next one. This is 260 brake horsepower. Absolutely, yeah. So nice earlier. Next up the hill is this twin turbo, 450 brake horsepower. Off the line is this later looking Formula Ford. Microphone on a little bit early there. Great little machine this. It's got the Venom or Spring bodywork on it. Yeah, another great run for Mike Moore there. Goes up sub 41 more and the Escort comes in and yeah, looking fantastic. Third gear already by the time it gets settled. Absolutely hit the apex. He'll cross the line shortly, so we're going to watch this beautiful E-Type fourth lane leave the line. He's going to get a good time, 35.06. He does, that's quicker than Rob Pat. Alan Voigt now, very well wet. Great things, these scimitars, and lots of potential in these cars.